Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a super exciting video, and that is unboxing the iPhone 13. As you guys know, the iPhone 13 actually came out today, and I'm so excited to be able to unbox it for you guys. Before I actually get into the video, I just want to say thank you to all of you, because without you guys, I would not be able to buy the iPhone. So I just wanted to say thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And with all that being said, if you guys are watching this video right now, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys are getting the iPhone 13. If so, what color you're getting it in, and if not, then let me know what type of phone you have. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. All right, so I just got back from Apple. I actually picked up the phone, and I saw it in their Apple stream that they did when they were talking about the pre-order and everything like that, that they actually took away the plastic. So unfortunately, the satisfying part that everyone loves so much is over, because they took away the plastic, but they do have these like little strips that you can like rip off. So I guess that will still be satisfying, and there's also still the plastic on the phone, which is really satisfying as well. So at least we still have that. But with all that being said, I pre-ordered the phone on September 24th when it came out, and then I went to Apple and picked it up today so I can get it right away for you guys. So when I was doing the pre-order, I decided to pick up the iPhone 13 in graphite. For the specs, this is the 256 gigabyte graphite, and with all that being said, let's just get into it. So I'm going to rip off these little pieces. That was kind of satisfying. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Wow, I love the feel of the new phone. Okay, so as I always do, I'm going to do the box first. So when I open the box, of course, there is the Designs by Apple in California little pamphlet. I feel like no one really reads this, but I do it because, I don't know, I just feel like it's nice. So they give me a little SIM card adapter, like the push pin thing that we need to get the SIM card out. And then they give a little pamphlet like they always do. I've never read that though. And then the famous Apple sticker. I feel like it wouldn't be an Apple unboxing if this wasn't in it. Then I also have the charger. So the charger is, again, kind of new. I'll unbox this for you guys. So the charger's new from last year. If you guys didn't know, the iPhone 12 Pro had this new little wire. So I think this is a USB-C. Don't quote me on that, but if you guys can see, there is both ends like this, which is really different. So you do need a new cube if you didn't have the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. There is a new cube, and if you guys didn't know, it actually doesn't come in the box. I'm not sure why. I think it's just because of obvious reasons, because Apple wants you to buy the box. But you do need a new box if you're going to get the iPhone 13 and or the iPhone 13 Pro and you didn't already have the box from the iPad or the iPhone 12. But with all that being said, let's get into the iPhone. So we have this little paper right here. That was satisfying. You guys have to give me that. That was satisfying. All right, so this is what the phone looks like. I think it looks very pretty. I currently have the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, the reason I'm upgrading is because I really just wanted to do this unboxing for you guys, which again, thank you so much for giving me the option to just be able to buy the new phone and actually do the unboxing for you guys. You guys don't know how appreciative I actually really am. But with all that being said, this is the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm actually giving it to my friends because I like to give all my Apple products to my friends and family. But the main differences, I don't really think there's that many main differences. If you guys look at them compared, the cameras look bigger on the 13. The 12 and the 13 kind of look the same size. They don't look too different in size. I know the 13 Max Pro is huge. I was going to get that, but then I was like, do I really need it? And then I just decided that I didn't. But with all that being said, I don't really know the main differences. I'm going to compare the cameras at the end, but for now, let's turn on the phone. Turning on. This is the most exciting part. I've been waiting for this day for so long because I love making iPhone unboxings. I feel like they're so fun to make, and I don't know, I just love them. So right now it's turning on. We are going to set up the phone, and then I'm going to edit this video as fast as I can and get it up to YouTube for you guys, because I know that you guys want to see this video so bad. All right, so when we open the phone, this is what it looks like. It's just saying hello in all different languages, and then I always just swipe up. I'm going to click English, and now I'm going to select the country, which is United States. Now it's saying quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to set it up manually because I personally like setting up my phones as new phones. I don't know if anyone else agrees. If you do, comment down below, but that's basically just what I like doing. So I'm going to hit set up manually. Now it's asking me to connect to the Wi-Fi. I don't know the Wi-Fi password, so please hold. I forgot my Wi-Fi password, as I always do. I literally never remember it, but I just signed into my Wi-Fi. Now we're going to hit next. Then it just says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so I usually just set my phone down and let it activate. What I'm not going to do on camera is I'm not going to like transfer the apps and everything like that, just because I'm going to do a whole nother video dedicated to what's on my iPhone 13 Pro. I wasn't going to do this video originally because I literally just posted a video about what's on my iPhone 12 Pro, but it's a different phone and I feel like you guys will still be interested. So if you are interested, let me know down below and I will definitely show you what's on my iPhone 13. But it finally updated, so now it says data and privacy. I'm just going to hit continue. Now it says Face ID, so we're going to obviously set up Face ID. It says how to set up Face ID. First position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle. This is gonna look funny. It's scanning my face right now. Okay, step 1 is complete. Now we're doing step 2 or scan 2. Okay, that's complete. Now it says Face ID is set up. Perfect, and continue. Now we are creating a password for the phone. Now it says apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. You have the option of restoring from iCloud backup, restoring from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android, or don't transfer apps and data. Since I told you guys that I like to set my phone up as a new phone, I'm going to do don't transfer apps and data. Now I'm going to sign into my Apple ID, which I forgot. So I don't know if you guys watched my iOS 15 customization video. If you did not, go watch that. If you want to, I'll have it linked down below. But in that video, I talked about how I got locked out of my Apple ID and I finally got back in. Obviously, I had to in order to buy the iPhone. But with this being said, I finally got in. I always forget my password. It's actually really funny. So now I'm in the terms and conditions. I'm just going to agree. And now it just says it may take a few minutes to set up your iPhone. So we're going to give it a few minutes to set up the Apple ID. I am so excited to customize this just because I feel like it's going to be so cool. I don't know if I should make it fall themed or anything, but we'll see if I decide to. Now it just says enter my Mac password. Enter the password you use to unlock Mac, Samantha's MacBook Pro. This password protects your Apple ID, saved passwords, and other data stored in iCloud. I never really saw that before. I don't know if they do that on the iPhone 12 Pro, but that's weird. So I'm just going to enter my Mac password. That's actually the one password I know. So now it comes up with make this your new phone. Here's everything you have to do to set up your phone and get everything off of your other phone. So now it just says apps and data, don't transfer apps and data, and then it says settings, Siri, appearance, and more. So now I'm just going to continue. Now it's asking me about my bank card, so I can't show you guys this part, but it just says previous cards, and then it's asking all about the previous cards. I'm just going to continue. It's asking me to verify my card, which I'm doing right now. And now it says setting up Apple Cash, so I just have to wait a little and let it set up. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if I should do like a Pinterest vibe on my phone and like make it really aesthetic, or if I should do a fall vibe. I have a fall vibe already, but I don't know which one I should do because on my iPhone 12 Pro I did a fall edition iOS 14 video and I don't know, I really like it. Okay, now it says using Apple Pay. It's just telling me to use my Face ID, so I'm gonna hit okay. Now it says improve Siri, so I'm gonna do share audio recordings. And now it says welcome to iPhone, so we are finally in the phone. So let's swipe up and get started. Okay, now it says allow wallet to use your location. I'm going to do allow while using app. I'm hoping this didn't transfer all my pictures because I really don't like when it does that. Let's see. I don't think it did. Okay, no, it didn't. I like literally to start completely fresh on the new phone, so that's why I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope it didn't transfer my pictures. Right now, I'm going to give you guys a run through of everything that comes on the new phone, and then I'm going to compare the cameras and kind of do like a compare and contrast of what's different from the iPhone 13 to the iPhone 12 Pro. So with all that being said, let me just see if it transfers transferred my contacts. I never know if it does that or not. It transferred my contacts, which is perfect. So when you open the phone, this is what you see. As you guys can see, widgets actually come up on the phone. I think this comes with iOS 15. I'm not positive, but I never opened a phone to just widgets from Apple. So I thought that was really cool. And then this is what the home screen looks like. I think it's a cool setup. I'm obviously going to change it. And then there is obviously also new little backgrounds that you can choose from, which is really cool. Again, if you want to know anything more about iOS 15, I have a whole video on it, so I will link that down below for you guys. This is my iPhone 12 Pro, and this is what the camera footage would look like. I think that the camera is really good on this. I don't necessarily know what the difference is between the two cameras, but I know the iPhone 13 camera is supposed to be cool and that the iPhone 13 video is really, really good. So this is what the iPhone 12 Pro camera looks like, and now let's do the iPhone 13. So immediately when I open the iPhone 13 camera, it just says that there's new styles, so you can personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preferences into the capture, which I think is really cool, but I'm just going to set that up later to show you guys. So right off the bat, the screen is bigger and also the image is a lot clearer. I'm not sure if you guys can see well on camera, but it is clearer. So I'm just going to take the picture so I can show you guys off of camera and compare them, but I think that this looks a lot better, even though they both look really good. Okay, so this is the iPhone 13 right here, and this is the iPhone 12. They're both the Pros. They both have live version, and I just wanted to tell you guys that I do see a difference in person. So this looks a little more warmer and it does look clearer, and then this is still really good, but I think the iPhone 13 obviously has a better camera. So that is just the difference for you guys to see. I think the iPhone 13's camera is really cool, and I'm really, really excited about cinematic mode for videoing, but I'll talk about that in a different video. All right, guys, with all that being said, that is everything I wanted to show you and unbox and set up the iPhone 13 Pro. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, again, letting me know which phone you got and if you're getting the new phone, and if so, what color you're getting it in. But with all that being said, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you liked this video, also comment the Apple emoji down below, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye, guys.